Welcome guys, in front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can get this amazing lightning edges on your smartphone. So at the first I'm going to delete this application that I'm using, and right now we have to move for the Play Store and type here Edge Lightning. Right now we have to get this application from the Pixel Craft Studios, so let's tap on it and just click install. Right now we have to wait until it finishes download, and right now we can open it. So let's click here, and as you can see here we got a lot of options that we can set up. And so let's set up that we are going to enable the wallpaper. There's the first one. We have to click here to display this application over the apps. So when we enter other application, we are going to still get this edge lightning. Here we can choose the color. There's the preview, how it is going to change. So you have to pick up your favorite. I think that I'm going to set up maybe this one, and I'm going to apply it on the home screen only. And right now here we have the animation speed. We can speed it up or just slow it. It depends on what you want. Here we can also change the border size, as you can see. So I think like this one is the best. Here we can also adjust the border size on the lock screen. There's the bottom radius. As you can see, when we get it right here with the switcher, it's going to be round on the edges. And the top radius we are going to also make round. And I think that I'm going to change for this color, it looks better. And here we can also change the border type. I think the default is the best. And right now when we close it, as you can see here we got our lightning edge. Of course here we got some kind of debug, so we have to go back to our application. Go back. Okay, I don't know what is going on here. But let's try to, we have to display over the other apps, and we can also just turn off the notch. As you can see, when we turn off the notch, it is working. And right now when we enter the other application, our lightning edges are still enabled. So I think it's really cool, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!